Hey, it's Karen, and I'll be teaching you how to simplify equations with negative exponents in them. Okay. If you have our textbook, this problem is on page 393, and the problem is problem 10. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to simplify this first part. So to simplify, we simplify the exponents. The same coordinates, you practically add the exponents together. So 5 plus minus 5 equals 0. And anything with an exponent with a 0 is equal to 1. So we automatically know that the top part will be 1. So that means the top part will be 1. So the answer will be 1 over a to the power of 8. So this is how to convert the negative exponents into positive exponents, as usually they make you convert it back to positive. Excuse the typo. Cough. It will be on page 393 and the problem 12. Okay, first thing we have to do is simplify. So we simplify all of these. So because we can't because they're not on the same level, we divide minus it here. Because you know how multiply is the inverse of multiplying is the inverse of dividing. So we're going to instead of adding the exponents together, we're gonna subtract them. So if you minus negative, you add a number, so you get 2. And yeah. And the second thing we do is we're gonna follow this formula. This formula says that if a and b have a negative exponent, if you just switch their order around, then you get a positive exponent. So we're gonna put r as a and the s as b because of the order. So that means that r by the power of negative 2 over 1 is 1 over positive 2, and that is our answer. Yay! Okay, this is an example. So try this. Still on page 838. Not 838. 393. 393. Doing problem 11 for the example. If you should probably pause it. Please pause it now before and try doing this by yourself on your paper. And then you can unpause it whenever you want. So to follow along, check your answers. Okay, first we simplify, of course, and we get 1, because of course x is x0, and this x1, well, it's just by itself, so it's just y. Oh yes, and remember that you always minus this for top number by this number, so it's always these set of numbers first, and then these. Okay, so it's for these numbers. Since there's no negative thing, we just multiply it all together, and so 1 times y, of course, is y. That's your answer. Da 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 da.